Hello, this is Rakshita. So let's start from class 8 maths lesson number 9 exercise 9.5. Okay, from the question number 5th. Okay, so 5th question is show that means we have to prove. Okay, prove. Let's see, actually there are, I think so, 7 parts. 7. Okay, a little bit it can be. Okay, so first is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equals to 3x minus 7 whole square. Actually we have to prove that. Okay, we have to prove that the answer of this and the answer of this should be equal. Okay, it should be equal, so we have to prove. So let's start. It is simple one. We have to just only use the properties in this. Okay, so for here, wait, I will just open my tab. Yeah, so here plus, this plus is there, means first identity will be used here, and simple, only this much we have to solve, then that. Okay, this is actually, this is RHS and this is LHS, RHS and LHS. So let's do first LHS is equals to, okay, this property, I'm just writing the property here. Okay, yeah, so property is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the plus property, means here also this property we are going to use. So a square, a is this, means 3x square plus, as it is, 2 into a into b, a is this into b, b is this, means 7. Okay, the 7, yeah, okay, then plus b square as it is 7 square. I can write it down because we have to do LHS or RHS also now. Plus 7 square. Now I can rub this because it is of no use now. Yeah. So 3x square means 3 3s are 9. 9x square plus, as it is, 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. 42x. X is there, so we will put x, then plus 7 square means 7 7s are 49. So 49. So after that, yeah, we forget one thing. We have solved this, but who will write this? Okay, so minus 84x will write here, minus 84x. So in this also we have to write minus, where, okay, I will write here minus 84x. And after that, x square, same x square, no, it's not same. Then x, here 42x, x, yeah, it's same. So we can, this and this we can do, plus 42x, plus 42x, this plus 42x and minus 84x. Which is the biggest sign, biggest number? Biggest number is 84, means minus sign should be of biggest number. So plus, minus, minus, so 84 minus 42, 84 minus 42, 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4 is again 4. So 42 and x as it is, so minus 42x. So answer means here, so 9x square is as it is, 9x square as it is, then we have done up this, means minus 42x which we got, and then plus 49, and we both have done this, both we have done. Okay, so this is of, we got this of LHS. Okay, we got this of LHS. Now let's do it of RHS. So this is RHS. So 3x minus 7 square. So here which property is going to use? A, second property, a minus b square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. B square. Okay. Yeah, so this is a property. So here, actually, see here, yeah, a square means this 3x square. So 3x, I'm doing it of RHS, I should write it, I think so, RHS is equals to a square means 3x square, then minus 2ab, wait, I will rub this much, minus 2ab, minus 2ab, 2 we have written, so a is this and b is this, means 3x into 7, 3x into 7, and after that a square minus 2ab plus b square. So b square is this, means 7, so we have to write 7 square plus 7 square. So now we can solve this. 3x square means 3 square, 3 3s are 9, so 9x square minus square minus, as it is 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, and x as it is 42x plus, as it is 7 square means 7 7s are 49. Yeah, so this is the answer. So let's match 9x square minus 42x plus 49 plus 49. Yeah, so these both are answer, means LHS is equals to RHS. These both are same, so we can write it as LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, hence proved. So this statement is important to write because in the question is said that show that this all method we have to show, and after that we have to write LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. So we have done the first part here. So let's come to the second part. Yeah, so this is the second part. So let's read it out first. Second part is 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq is equals to 9p plus 5q whole square. So in this also we have to do the same as it is. We have to first solve this one and we have to add this one, only this much and this. Okay, so let's start. So here which identity is going to use? Minus is there, means second identity. So let's write the second one. A minus b square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the second identity which is going to use here. So this is 9. Okay, don't understand it. A. So a square means this. So 9p square, then minus 2ab. So minus as it is and 2 into a. A this means 9p into 5q because it is the b, because it represents b. Then plus as it is. So yeah, I can write here plus b. B is this, means 5q square. So 5q square, then plus 180pq I am going to write here. Okay, plus 180pq. Okay, so now we have to solve this. So 9p square, 9 9s are 81, so 81p square, then minus, so as it is. So then 2 into 9, so 2 9s are 18 into 5, so let's do it. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, so 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9, so 90. So 90p and q, so 90pq, then plus as it is 5q square, 5 5s are 25, so 25q square. Okay, after that plus 180pq as it is, we are going to write it plus 180pq as it is. Then after that, so we are going to, this is LHS, so I have not written there, so I am going to write it down. Okay, so LHS is 80p square. P square is having any pair? No, it's q square. So we are going to write 81p square as it is because it is not having any pair. Okay, so PQ, yeah, it's having a pair. Minus 90pq and plus 80pq. Yeah, we can now rub this. Yeah, minus 90 and this plus 180. Bigger number is 180, so the sign will be of this only, plus. Then plus minus 180 minus 90 only. Okay, so 90 and pq also plus sign and 90pq. So and 25q square, q square is not having any pair, so we are going to write it as it is, q square. So then now I am going to cut it. Yeah, so LHS is this. So let's solve now RHS. RHS is 9p plus 5q whole square. So first identity is going to use because plus sign is there. So yeah, I'm going to write this identity here. is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here, so 9p, first a square is given, so I just write here RHS is equals to a square is this, means 9p square, and after that plus 2ab, so plus as it is 2 into a is this 9p, multiply b is 5q, then plus b square, b plus b is this 5q, so we can write it as 5q square. Now we have to solve this, so little bit up I can solve. 9p square, so 9 square means 9 9 is 81, so 81p square, wait, p 5q square, little bit up, 5q square. Now okay, so 81p square plus as it is 2 into 9 18, 18 into 5 we have just done it, now 90, so 90 pq as it is, and plus also as it is 5q square, 5 5 is 25, so 25q square. So we got RHS this one, so let's match 81p square plus 90pq plus also there 25q square here, 25q square, so means we have done it correctly. So let's write here LHS is equals to RHS is equal RHS, then therefore hence proved. Okay, we have proved it, so hence proved. So yeah, so we have done the second part also. So let's come to the third part. Yeah, so this is the third part. So third part here, 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square and plus 2mn is equals to 16 by nm square plus 9 by 16n square. So actually here we have to again first solve this much, LHS then RHS. Okay, so let's first solve. So minus sign is this, so which identity is going to use? Second one, yeah, second, because first is a plus, second, so I'm going to write the identity here. So minus sign, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity which we are going to use. So let's, first is a square, so a is this, means 4 by 3m whole square, then minus as it is 2 into a into b. A is this, means 4 by 3m into b is this 3 by 4n, then plus as it is then b square, b is this, so 3 by 4 whole square we have to write 3 by 4 n whole square. So we have used this property, now no use, we can avoid it. Yeah, so then plus 2mn as it is, plus 2mn as it is, then here, so this is the, now we have to go a little bit further. So 4 by 3m whole square, so here whole square is there, so we can write it as 4 square and 3 square, because whole square is said now. So 4 square, 4 4s are 16, so 16, then 3 square, 3 3s are 9, so 16 by 9 we can write, 16 by 9 and m square minus as it is, then here, so 2, now I have to do rough. Okay, so 2 into 4 by 3, 4 by, I'm doing this in rough. Okay, so 4 by 3, then into 3 by 4, so this is very easy, means 3 3 cut, 4 4 again cut, so which is left, 2 is left, so 2 we have to write, and this mn n means minus 2mn, this minus as it is, and then 2mn, then plus as it is, then 3 by 4 and whole square, again it's whole square, so again we have to write 3 by 4, 3 square upon 4 square, then 3 square, 3 3 is a 9, 4 square, 4 4 is 16, so 9 by 16, and n square we have to put 9 by 16 n square, so 9 by 16 n square plus 2mn, this as it is 2mn. Now we have to solve. I think so I should write it a little bit up. Okay, plus 2mn. Now okay, yeah, so here 16 by n, so m square I'm getting here anywhere, nothing. And so again this is LHS, so as it is I have to write 16 9 m square. Okay, m square as it is because it is not having any pair. So minus 2mn, 2mn, yeah, it's here mn. So here minus is there and here plus. Minus 2 plus 2, again these both will cut. Then plus 9 by 16 n square. N square is having any pair? N square, no, it's not having. So we are going to write it as it is, plus 9 by 16 n square. Okay, so this is LHS. So we have done LHS. So let's come to RHS. So RHS is this one, 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. So actually we don't have to do this much. Already it is done as it is. Okay, let's maths. Okay, 16 by 9 m square, 16 by 9 m square plus as it is 9 by 16 n square, 9 by 16 n square, both are same, this LHS and that RHS. Okay, so wait, this is RHS. Okay, don't confuse. So this LHS and RHS, so these both are same, so we can write it as LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. So this is important to write. Okay, I'm just telling you many times that it is important to write. So here actually we have done the third part, so the third part is full completed. So let's come to the fourth part.